Welcome to our channel Code by Rack. Are you ready to turn a PDF document into an MP3 file? Let's get started. We will use Python with just a few lines of code to extract text from a PDF and convert it into an audio masterpiece. Whether you are a developer or coder or a beginner, this tutorial is designed for everyone. Join the Code by Rack community, hit that subscribe button, and let's embark on this coding adventure together. Happy coding! Hi, let's start. So first, I have a PDF document which contains this small part of data. So it's about hello and welcome to Code by Rack. This is a PDF that we want to read it and transform it to MP3 file. And of course, we can listen it while we play the solution. So I start to create on new file, select on Jupyter Network, Jupyter Notebook, okay, and I will save it, PDF to MP3, save, okay. Then, first I want to import a library called pyt tsx3, the first one. If you don't have it, you have to make a pip install pyttsx3. And the same you can do for the second library, which is pdf2. Those libraries are installed on my machine, but in your case, maybe you don't have it. You have to install each one. So I will start to create an instance of PDF file equal open the PDF that I have, welcome PDF, okay, and add set the attributes to RB. Then I will create another instance for PDF reader, which is equal pydf2.pdf reader, PDF reader, and I will pass a PDF file. I will pass the PDF file. Okay, then we have to initiate the speaker, the one who will train to speak all the PDF or to say all the PDF. Now I will use pyt sx3.init. It's a jot for start, and then first I will get the pages from the PDF reader pages, PDF reader dot pages, okay, and then I have to get the page count. Page count is a reference length of pages. So if the PDF contains multiple pages, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so in page count I can get the number of files. Why I need the page count of the PDF file, the pages, to make a for loop in order to get the text and let the speaker say it and directly in a way save it in MP3 file. So I will start now for page num in range of page count, okay. Then I will create page equal PDF reader dot pages, and then I will open the brackets, page num. Then I miss the 2 points here, okay. Then I will create text equal, it's about page dot, we'll have to extract the text from the page, extract text. Then I will let the speaker say it. So when I said speaker say, I will pass the parameter text. So if I have, go back to the PDF, I have hello and welcome to Code by Rack. So the speaker will say that. Now I have to speaker dot run in the wait. Okay, then speaker dot stop. So now, after we play the script, we can listen to the speakers. Now I have to make some changes here to close the file, PDF file.close, okay, and save the MP3 audio. Save audio as MP3 to our local folder. It's just about speaker dot save to file. The function is builded. I will pass text, and I will pass the name of the file you want. Let's say test channel rek.mp3, and then I can speaker run await. So now we have the script ready. We can just to play the script. So now it's the time to run the script. As I said before, I have a script, I have a PDF here where the text is inserted, hello and welcome to Code by Rag. So now I will start playing.
Hello and welcome to Code by Rec. We're thrilled to have you here on our YouTube channel. Whether you're an experienced programmer or just starting your coding journey, this channel is for you. Happy coding, Code by Rec team.
So the speaker said all the text in the PDF and save it as test channel rack.mp3. Of course, you can play it
Hello
here
and
also.
welcome to Code by Rec.
Now, thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you found the video helpful and enjoyable. Your feedback is invaluable to me. So, if you have any questions or do you face any issue while implementing this script, don't hesitate to leave a comment. I am here to help and provide clarification. Once again, thank you for being a part of this journey, and I look forward to having you with us for future videos. Happy learning!